Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you all are fine and doing well. So today in ZamaSchool software, we will talk about how to edit student data, like how to edit biodata, how to check students' biodata, and how to make changes on them. Let's do a practice of it today. First of all, I will open Students module, then click on Search Students. I will search student for which I want to make changes in his biodata. I can search student on enrollment number, registration or admission number or name. If I don't remember any one of this, then I can also search student in class from here. Let's say I am searching on enrollment number 1. As you can see, student information is shown. Now if I want to change mobile number of the student or if I want to change his class from nursery as a mistake is occurs during admission and I want to transfer from nursery to KG, or if I want to change section from nursery A to nursery B. In short, if I want to edit anything of this student, then I will need to click on edit button here. Now as you can see, a form is shown. If I want to change name, I can do it here. If I want to change date of birth, I can do it here. As you can see, I am changing date of birth. Now those information which are not entered previously, so I can also enter those information here. Let's say father NIC and father education or any other data you want to enter, you can do it here easily. I will click on continue button here. I can add previous school, let's say Mingora Public School. You can add anything according to your student biodata. Class admitted in, I can change it here. From nursery to KG or any other class, I can do it here. Section, I can change section here like from A to previous or any other name you want, as all section names will be shown here. If I want to change admission date or pre-primary number, means you can change anything related to student biodata and you can do it on same way as shown. Now I will click on continue button. As you can see, further student information is shown. You can edit or change it. Let's say I am changing address. When I do all these changes, then I will need to click on save student button. Now I want to confirm that changes I did or done or not. So I will search here enrollment number 1 and student data is shown. Now as you can Other than this, I want to confirm biodata. I will click on view button. As here you will see student biodata including picture. If picture is not uploaded first time, then nothing to worry about, as I can also upload picture on edit button. I hope that after watching this video tutorial, you can do changes in student biodata easily in ZamaSchool software. Thank you so much. Please feel free to contact us with my mobile number 0333 941 4361. WhatsApp and IMO is also available on this number. Also contact us with our PTCL number 0333 941 4361. WhatsApp and IMO is also available on this number. Also contact us with our PTCL number 0946 724 295. Thank you so much for watching this video and for being with me.